Rose planting tips. The roses lost their leaves and buds within a few days of buying them. I'll show you how to fix it today. Cut off the branches 10 centimeters above the known. Feel bad, find an empty pot that's not in use. Put some clay or a foam at the bottom. It's good for ventilation. Put in some loose nutrient soil. It's good for water from your ability booting clipping. Add the freshly herb rose. Fill it with nutritious soil, press it firmly. Show you how to make your own hive fast. First, recover life. 1 chopper, take us a handful of orange peel. 15 millimeters of life in it, then. Fill it up with water, cover with a plastic bag. Let it comment overnight. Means many of the nutrients needed by flowering plants. You don't need much water your flowers once a month. It's good for all flowers. Cut for new plants. Cut off the rose branches. Select the buds and cut them into small pieces. Underneath the buds, cut off a piece of the skin of the branch, so that the roots will grow out of this wound. Just cut it like this. Then get a carrot. Peel it into pieces and bury it in the soil. The carrot will rot later. It provides nutrients to the branches. It's good for rooting out the wounds of the treated rose branches. Tightly arrange the carrot slices. Cover with soil and water well. In a month or so, new leaves will grow from the buds on the rose branches. Take it out and look at it. The root system is well developed. The cuttings are successful. If you've learned how to do it, click on the button.